Yeah, man, we out here, man. I'm talking about, man. We catching these sturgeons though.
Tony Coles.
Little river monsters.
Bitch.
So how you been, EX?
Hey, see, I've been doing well, not great, but good. Can't complain, I got more than I should. Been a while since I thugged in the hood. I just hope that my folks understand I done hit every state, I'm just trying to get to it. Anyways, just they liking my music. I just did a show called By the Rule, had like 80-some thousand folks jamming and grooving.
So how are your kids?
I can't even lie, when I be away from them, I cry. Cause I love them the most, so I